Welcome to the Handlebar Cafe. What can we make for you today?
Klim und meat, the surpsa fa stash open.
Double shot of espresso with steamed milk. Coming right up.
Hello. My name is Aiden. Do you want to make a movie together?
Oydinat srenuja.
Do you speak English?
I don't mind you coming here, wasting all my time. 'Cause when you're standing oh so near, I kinda lose my mind. It's not the perfume that you wear, it's not the ribbons in your hair. I don't mind you coming here and wasting all my time. I don't mind you hanging out and talking in your sleep. Doesn't matter where you've been, as long as it was deep, yeah. You always knew to wear it well, and you look so fancy, I can tell. I don't mind you hanging out and talking in your sleep. I guess you're just what I needed. I needed someone to feed. I guess you're just what I needed. I needed someone to bleed. She tricks me into thinking I can't believe my eyes. I wait for her forever, but she never does arrive. It's all mixed up. It's all mixed up. It's all mixed up. She's always out making pictures. She's always out making scenes. She's always out the window when it comes to making dreams. It's all mixed up.
Traditionally, the perspective of time in linguistics has focused first and foremost on tense, and to a lesser degree on expressions associated with time. Over time, people became self-indoctrinated to conceptualize language through a temporal and linear lens. I like to think about things a little differently, and I don't always feel that language has to follow the forward movement of time. There are millions of people out there. It's a beautiful thing when you find someone who sees this crazy world the same way you do. This woman just walked in who shares my views on time and language. I'm gonna make a movie with her. Wanya. Hi. My name's Aiden. Would you like to make a movie together?
Oh, hey, nenat srednuja.
You speak English?
I understand you.
I know.
Let the stories be told. Let them say what they want. Let the photos be old. Let them show what they want. Let them leave you up in the air. Life's the same, moving in stereo. Life's the same, it's all inside you.
Shots. Das wird so. Slim.